Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SelfKey. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And recently, unfortunately, the price line has broken down the support of the symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for a SelfKey that I shared with my members a few days back on 18th of March 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that SelfKey was completing on the 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop slight more down for the completion of this final leg of the cipher, and then we can buy it within this price range. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this leg here. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, it started the next price reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 15% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. Now, let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here we have a very, very big development as the price line has broken out a very long-term down trend line resistance of this falling wedge pattern. You can see we found the support here back in March 2021, and we found the resistance in the month of November 2021. And you can see even after several attempts, the price line was not able to break out this resistance. And recently we have broken out this resistance here in the month of January 2023. And we have also broken out a very long-term in a very, very strong key resistance of $0.0055 as well. And now the price line is struggling to break out the next strong and long-term resistance of 1.3 cents. And previously, this level had been working as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here as well. And also here, it was working as a resistance in the month of Feb 2021. Now, let me to take you on the smaller time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line was moving inside the symmetrical triangle. And unfortunately, we have broken down the support of this symmetrical triangle. And after this breakdown, the expected target to the downside was approximately here at the next support that we had here at $0.0083, slightly more than that. And the price line almost reached up to this support. That was also working as a short-term support of $0.0083. You can see it worked as a resistance here, and support here. And after this breakdown, we almost tested this support. We reached very close to this support, but got another bounce. And the reason was because after breaking down, the price had formed another bullish bias pattern that was a falling wedge pattern. You can see we had a resistance here, and we found the support for this falling wedge pattern is here. And once the price line was very, very squeezed inside this wedge, finally it broke it out. And now the target for this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 1.2 or 1.3 cents. And in that situation, the price line can make another attempt to break out this very long-term resistance on the weekly time frame chart as well. That is at 1.3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.